We have two graphics cards here by Gigabyte. One of them is a 3080 and one of them is a 3090. Both cards are not working. The cards are under warranty and the customer mailed those cards over to Gigabyte so they can honor the warranty, but they sent them back to him and they told him that those cards are not covered under warranty because of a problem here. They added this sticker, and because of a problem here, and they added this sticker. And if you look at both cards, the sticker is in exactly the same position on both cards, here and here. Wow. Wow. So whatever is happening here and whatever is happening here is voiding warranty. Let's take a look. And look at this. I do see possibly a slight crack here. I would have overlooked this if Gigabyte did not point an arrow onto it. It's very minimal, but it could be breaking the line. Okay? But why is it that the second card has exactly the same issue in exactly the same spot? And this one is already scratched. Look at this. It's already scratched. We do see a line here that's possibly going like this. I did measure, and that line is not breaking the circuit. It's not breaking the circuit. Let's look at a different angle. And look at this. I'm measuring under the line and over the line. Same thing here. I would have honestly overlooked that spot if it wasn't for the arrow that Gigabyte put on here. I'm wondering if we scratch the mask here and here. Do we have a continuous path or is the circuit broken? And look at this. The line is not affecting the circuit. What's mind-boggling is Gigabyte looked in this one specific area. It's like they already know that their cards will crack or will have that line on the side of the board, even though this line is not affecting the circuit in any way, shape, or form. But it's like they know that there's a weakness on this side of the board and a line will appear over time and they can void warranty because of that line. Right now, I do not understand the significance of that line that caused Gigabyte to refuse warranty. We did scratch the lower end of the pad under the line and over the line, and we measured. We have a continuous path from here to here, and we have a continuous path from here to here. So the line is not affecting or breaking the circuit. Why did Gigabyte refuse warranty? I do not understand this. I do not even understand why the line occurred in the same exact spot on both cards. If there's anybody out there that can shed some light on why this is happening or how this could have happened, and why is it so important that Gigabyte refused warranty? Leave it down in the comments. And I'm not going to work on those cards today. It's already time to go home. But I would like to hear your comments. And I will see you again in the next video.